Borgnis. We're gonna be making egg and cheese burritos today. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna turn your burner on and you wanna put it on like a medium-low setting and let it get a little bit warm. What we're gonna do is we're gonna divide this into 4 since we decided to make 4 burritos today. So I'm just gonna put 1 egg's worth on our burrito. And then here is the tricky part. So we have to turn it into a burrito. So we're gonna fold these 2 ends in and then these 2 ends in and make like a little pocket. And then I like to flip it over because that kind of seals it shut. And then we're gonna put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And then your burrito is all ready to enjoy.